You would like to learn Arabic, but on the other side, you think language Arabic it's too much hard. I will tell you that's not true. I am Karim. I am Arabic teacher for English speakers since 2017. I had many students that they thought in the beginning learning Arabic it's hard, but later they discover no. I provide this book for you. This book contains a lot of details. It explains how to read and write in Arabic, contains basic vocabulary, conversations, exercises, quizzes, rules, and helpful situations that allows you to read Arabic step by step without a lot of efforts, and the result at the end is know the basics and start basic conversation in Arabic. So if you are interested, download this book and start your experience in learning a beautiful language.